see the mountains. There are lots down there, underneath there. There's a road that we pass, and then usually it's an avalanche, right? So we are truckers. So we traveled around the country. We keep Americas going and having a canoe. And there's the rock. We are in the bottom of the mountains, guys. Such a beautiful sky. Blue, blue. So that one there, they're going somewhere here in Montana. They're having a camp. Those are log homes. Going to have a camp. They have the cabin here in Montana. Usually, Montana is best for summer, right? Why?
Depending on what you want to do. If you want to be out in the backcountry in the snowmobiles, it's wintertime out here.
River flow to the sea, to the sea. So this is Montana. We are in Houston, Panama. That's the cabin, guys. That's the camper. So Montana is one of the green, blue sky country. Green because the mountains are green when it's summer.
I didn't get it quick enough. The next time we see an irrigation system and the sun's shining through it, the irrigation things sprinkling water and the rainbows that appear in them.
There's a campground.